You'll never find kids in TVCs promoting these goodies. Just look at them. All colors, shapes, and sizes, all right from nature's lap. You'll find advertisements targeting people to buy all kinds of canned and bottled juices, tin stuff, artificial edibles, and whatnot, and kids jumping up and down in these ads promoting preservative loaded drinks in the name of immunity and health. But not a single ad for these beauties. I'm not going to take names because that's not my intention. I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian, I'm just a hula hoop artist. But hey, I'm sure a lot of you have heard this a gazillion times over from doctors everywhere. And you learned this in school with the fruit and veggie charts that we pasted in notebooks as homework and forgot as we grew up. There is enough information out there for you to cross check, and most of you all know the truth and yet continue to support what's not good for the body despite knowing the truth. After learning from my own experience of having ignored these beauties for a large part of my student and performer life, I've been on a road to change for a long time now, and I'll go by it for as long as I live. I learned the hard way the importance of these goodies for one's well being. My intention is not to shut down companies. The other day, I got told by a fellow artist, you can do this more discreetly, no? Another one told me, तुम बंद करवा के रहोगी सारे brand और company. No, no, no. That's not my intention at all. Irrespective of what I share and convey today, जो होना है वही होगा. At the end of the day, I know I can only vouch for the changes I make for me. That's it. But as I do that, my intention has also always been to share with people around me, my loved ones, family, fellow performers, any child or parent or professional who follows my hoop journey so far, to understand that it is in your hands what gets promoted forward. Have you come across kids that are fussy eaters? Kids that would rather go on fast food than homemade food? They'd load up on a bottled sugary drink over that basic fruit sitting at home. Have you seen kids make faces at veggies or go, छी लौकी कौन खाता है? और मुझे ये नहीं पसंद, I can't have this fruit. I'd only hope from my heart that kids learn from a younger age the importance of these fruits and veggies and basic ghar ka khana. Oh, so underrated. All that is never ever advertised. Dear parents, your kids are learning by watching you and by watching what's on TV. And TV has a lot of ads. I've seen them line up at casting studios myself back when I used to audition. All such cuties with all these acting skills. Okay. But trust me though, there's no pride in supporting what's clearly not good for health in the long run. And that too, having your kids do that job for you. I'm saying this from my own experience that I shared in an earlier post. More kids learn from those kids on TV, and there goes a chain. What must definitely not be consumed on a daily basis gets promoted as something that is good for you. Kids want that, parents go buy that, and don't even get me started about how this adds to plastic waste all over the world. You know it, you've heard it enough. But hey, did you make the necessary changes? Trust me, you change, the world around you slowly changes. Someday, if the requirement of crappy drinks doesn't get fulfilled, all those companies may just shift their ideas and rebuild around nature according to you. Yes, you, to bring you the real goodness in nature, unadulterated. Isn't that what all companies want? Customer satisfaction? That will be a win-win for all of humanity, no matter what part of planet Earth you're on. For every person, for every company, that's a dream, a fantasy you may call it, a certain kind of madness. But it is possible in my head. If anything, we could be posting selfies and whatnot with these huge selection of fruits and veggies. And these days you're blessed with social media. Something that wasn't there in my time. That makes me sound like I'm Nani ji, but trust me, there was no social media when I grew up as a child. But really, this is such a great tool to instill even a little bit of change in a positive direction. You have the power right in your hands to make a change for yourself, your babies, the future generations, and all of mankind. I choose to not have my own babies, and in this small part of my professional life, the only interaction I had with kiddos was the ones that I happened to teach some hoop skills over the past few years. But right now, I no longer feel that I can teach hooping alone. There are so many people, pages, companies, institutions on all kinds of platforms who have been creating many a stir in awareness with undoubted determination for you to learn from. I can't do that. I was teaching people how to hoop, or I was performing, or I was making changes in my own life, but I never knew how to share that with people, so I never did any of that. But as a hula hoop artist, I can use my voice in this circle to share my heart with you in all its honesty. I'm so sorry, kids and parents, for being a bad hoop teacher right now, but this is what I feel is something I've always wanted to share with you and finally found the courage to listen to my inner voice and act on it before it's too late. Planet Earth is our home, your body is your place of worship, health is wealth, and अगर body ही नहीं बचेगा तो hoop क्या खास घुमा लेंगे हम. I don't know if any of this made sense or I've just been blabbering into outer space, but I just felt the need to share this and I just really hope that you picked up something from it. So, have your fruits and veggies, people, parents, kids, all of you all. Just have it. Parents, put it out on the plate. Kids, just have it. Just please eat it for your own well being. Hoop as much as you want. Take up all those skills. You're all so talented. But if you don't eat and focus on what you're putting into your body, nothing will matter. You can grow up to be a doctor, a scientist, hula hoop artist, what else? Name all the professions. You could be anything. You can choose to be anything you want to be. But if you don't focus on your health, there's nothing.